Welcome, my name is an iPhone 12 and today I'll show you how to record your screen on the device. So to get started, let's go into the settings and scroll down to Control Center and add the toggle. So it's going to be right here, screen recording, tap on the plus to add it. As you can see, it's now over here. And from there you can leave it and pull down the notification or Control Center and tap on the circle within the circle, and it will start the countdown and start recording, as you can see right over here based on that red circle with the time now. So whatever you will be doing right now will be recorded. So you can open apps, record whatever you want, and once you're done, simply tap on the toggle once more to stop recording. As you can see, screen recording video saved to photos, so obviously let's open up photos and disregard it, and there we go, that's the recording right over here. So let's tap on, it's already I think playing. Yep, as you can see, and there it is. So that is basically how you record your screen. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.